Hey guys, welcome back to Untitled Videos, and we're back again with another video. We're doing a Discord video, and I hope you guys enjoy it. So, I have a Discord for my YouTube channel, and this is all it. But maybe you want to make sure that people read your rules so they know what to expect from your server, like they know what to do and not to do. Because you're going to have a lot of people on here eventually, and they're going to need to follow your rules, or they're going to get in trouble. And if they don't read your rules, you got a problem. So as soon as they join my server, this is what comes up. It's a welcome letter. Tells them that please read the rules down below, agree to the rules, all that junk. Have a good time. Here's our rules. And then you can come down here, and once you read the rules, you hit this little check mark right here, and it gives you a rule. I think it's like verified members or something, I call it. Something whacked up like that. And I also did this thing where if you're a YouTuber, or you do Facebook, or you do Twitch, you can hit Y for YouTube, or F for Facebook, or T for Twitch. And yeah. And then we know which one you are, and people know, oh, this guy's a YouTuber. Okay, cool. And I also did the same thing here. Yes, you want to get notified for the videos. No, you don't want to ever get notified for anything in this server. But right now I'm going to show you how to make sure that this is the page they come up on, and this right here works right here. If I click it, and boom, that. So let's see. So basically what happens here is this is verified member. As soon as you click it, it puts you as verified member, gives you rights that everyone don't have. So I created a test server. Okay, let's get into this. Okay, so I've already done some stuff, like if we go into rules, there's members, and there's @everyone. @everyone basically can't do nothing on the server. This basically, instead of just going in there and saying this channel, like welcome channel, I want @everyone to be able to read and view it, but I don't want them to type. But this edit channel, I want them. This goes over all the channels in the server. So let's do this. First off, before you get into this, we need you to go to your profile, your user settings. Go to Appearance. Scroll down here. Advanced Developer Mode. You want Developer Mode on before we get into this. So go ahead and click that on, and once you have, you can exit out of this. So once you have that on, you'll probably want to go in here, right click the start here. But if you don't know how to do this first, just go down to the blank part, hit create category, and you can name it like whatever you want, TS or SH for start here, something like that. And then you create a channel, and then you get welcome. Well, we're going to right click and go into edit category, permissions. Now I've already given @everyone. As soon as you join, you're in the role @everyone. And so I've given you, if you joined my server as an @everyone, which is as soon as you join, this is what permissions you have. View channel, yes. Okay. Read message history, yes. You see, if you have this on, they'll view that channel. But if this is off, read message history, whatever you have in there, they can't read. Just view the channel. It'll say something like, you don't have permission to read the message history or something like that. And that's all you want them to have. Now, members, if you don't want them to see this channel, you just hit like that, save. And then what I do is I go into this, permissions to my channels. I put it on private channel. The only one that can view it basically as a role is members, and they got some permissions. Like at everyone, you notice how it says view channel, none. Like they can't do it. But members, they have no permissions, you know. So I've done that. So this is what you're going to want to do. First, you're going to want to create a welcome message. So I'm just going to put something like and then we'll give it a couple things like that, and rules 1 equal and 2 follow my YouTube channel. Okay, so that's our welcome message. So welcome message is welcome to our server. Please read our rules and have a great time here. Okay, rules 1, be cool. 2, follow my YouTube channel. Okay, so that's what we're gonna need for the welcome letter. Now, what we're gonna have to do is you're gonna need a bot called YAGPDB. So there will be a link in the description for this bot down below, but I'm gonna bring up it already right here. So let's see, switch over like this. Yeah, okay. So once you invite it to okay, once you invite it to your server, it'll ask you to choose which server. And being that I already have test server on here, I just can switch in between the channels or servers I have. We're doing test server. So let me go here real quick. Okay, so here's this menu bar right here. You want to go to Tools and Utilities. Then once you open up the folder or category of Tools and Utilities, you want to go down to Role Commands. Right here, we're going to create one that says something like welcome. That's our new group mode. Right, symbol. Great. Before we get into the rest of this, I want to make sure that YAGPDB is above all your other roles. So what you want to do is you want to go up here, test server, right click, server settings, roles. If it isn't, if it's down here in between these two, you just grab it like this. You drag it up there, and if it's under or the role you want it to use, it will not work. So once it is, then you can go back here. If it wasn't, you go to change, like add the role in, it will say something like members is above YAGPBD. So you have to go back there, fix it, and then you have to go up here and refresh. But it's not. So now all we're gonna do is just type in members. Okay. So we'll hit that. Okay, so now you will need a command code, and that will be down in the description too. Oops. Okay, let's go here. Okay, so now what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to paste that there. Now group name. Go back to your YAGPDB or whatever you call it. Okay, so this is group settings for welcome. The name of the group was welcome. In case you don't feel like looking here, you can go down to here. This was our create new role command. It says name, don't want that. Group, welcome. It's whatever you named it. So we go here, and then you can do this, or you can just backspace it. But I'm just going to do that. Type welcome. And now, message ID, what you want to do is go over to your message here and right click, copy ID, go here, and that blue, and then paste that in. Now if you've done your job right, your bot should respond to your message. Okay, not finding it open yet. Did I screw up? That, paste it. We did change the name, so test. Did I add capital? I don't think I did. No, we did not. Okay. Now we're going to want to copy that. Okay, so if we did it right, it should work. There we go. Alright. So now what you're going to want to do is go over here and add a reaction. You cannot use any other server, custom, emojis. You have to use, why am I going like Discord's default ones. And for this, I like to use this little check mark. So now we can delete this message and this command. Okay, so you can edit this like add a bunch of words, hit OK, and all this stuff, and this will still work. The only time it won't work is if you delete this message. It won't work at all. So if I click this, you notice up in the top corner here it says members. I'm now a member. If I unclick it, I disappear out of members and go to online. Let me show you this a different way. I'm going to go to my second account. Okay, so as soon as you first join, this is what's going to show up. Whatever you type here, and this. So once I hit this, you notice this disappears, the welcome thing, and these show up, and so did I. Now, alright, I don't know why I disappeared, but now we can actually go to general, and we can say, okay, I finally came up as a member now. But now we can say something like, hey, here. And I send it. And I can come over here to general, and look, it comes up, and I can chat back this guy. So it does work, and you can chat back. So I hope you find this helpful. If you did, please hit that like button. If you're new here and you haven't subscribed already, please feel free to subscribe so you don't miss out on any more of my content. I do all kinds of like how-tos, gameplay with FS 17, 19, and flashing lights. I need to do some more gameplay. I feel I have not done much of that at all. I'm thinking of doing some more Discord videos, and yeah, if you have any suggestions of what I should do in the future, please leave it down in the description. Comments. If you have not joined my Discord already, the invite will be down below. The code I showed you in here will be down below. and YAGPDB. Link to that will be down in the description below. If you have a friend that is having issues with something and one of my how-tos you think might help them, please share it with your friends, or you think one of my videos might interest one of your friends or family members or etc. whatever, please feel free to share it with them. Go check out some of my other videos. Have a great day and stay safe. Bye.